Welcome back to the garage, guys. As the headline says, in my area, the used ATV market seems to be dying. There's reasons for it, and just so that you guys out there know, I guess if you're looking to buy a ATV, now's the time, because they're not selling. In my area, they're sitting stagnant. They're not selling. As you guys can see, still have this guy. I posted this on Marketplace about I don't know, a week ago. You get your usual ridiculous trade offers. Even though I posted no trades, you get ridiculous trade offers. Marketplace is great for that, which everybody probably knows. Anyway, I got one guy who's interested in it, supposed to come by today. Most likely gonna flake out. I priced this below your average Raptor 350 that's beat. I got it $500 below all the Raptors that need work. And this Raptor right here doesn't need anything. This thing is like brand new. It's completely rebuilt. And it's cheaper than all the beat stuff that's on Marketplace right now. Nothing, no action. COVID was a really good time for anyone who was flipping ATVs, dirt bikes, any recreational vehicles. COVID was an awesome time because COVID allowed people, COVID kept people in their houses, took away everything you could do, like movies and dinner and vacations and travel and all that stuff. It took that all away from people. So what could people do? To have fun with their friends and their family and to get outside and enjoy fresh air. It was all-terrain vehicles. It was stuff that you could do outside by yourself or with just another person in the open air where you didn't need to wear a mask, and ATVs and UTVs and dirt bikes and all that stuff was awesome for that. So they sold. They sold at inflated prices. People were getting free money from the government. So they were throwing money away at these things. We all know it. So the market was fantastic. You could flip these things and make money. You could pay a little more for them, put a ton of money into them, a ton of work into them, flip them, get your money back, and even make a buck or two. Unfortunately, now that the market's changed, even the ATVs that are out there for sale right now, people are still asking COVID prices for them because that's what they're into them for, and they don't want to take a massive beating. But if you wait a few more months, you're going to be able to, if somebody's looking for a decent machine, right now is the time to buy, because you're going to be able to just probably steal this stuff in another 2 to 3 months. You're going to be able to steal these things. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. I've never seen Facebook so stagnant. I just don't get it. So at this point, I'm not giving it away. I'm not going to take any of them stupid lowball offers. It's a great machine. I'm going to wait and see if this guy shows up today. If he flakes out, then I'm going to call a shipping company, and I am going to ship this out to Arizona to my in-laws, and I will just have another machine out there for my family to ride when they want to ride. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do with this guy. I really don't have a choice. So I don't know what shipping is going to cost me, but it's probably something that I will video the process of in case somebody else is considering doing it. But the whole point of this video is that the ATV market is essentially dead. So I guess the point of this video is that if I want to continue to post ATV content on the channel, stuff like this, I'm going to be stuck with a bunch of ATVs I can't sell. I don't have the storage capacity to hold on to these things until the market turns around. I just don't. So I guess moving forward, I'm just going to have to either do repairs on other people's stuff. I do have a couple of motors sitting around that need rebuilt. I don't have the machines that go with them, but I do have some motors, some heads and such like that. I may start just doing engine part rebuilds or lower end rebuilds or head rebuilds and stuff like that. If any of you guys out there would like me to fix something like a lower end or a transmission or rebuild a head, anything like that, you can just reach out to me at rcbgarage@gmail.com. Again, that's rcbgarage@gmail.com. And if you don't mind shipping it out to me, I'll fix it, ship it back. I will do the repairs for free. I will not charge any money for those repairs, because I'll use the content on the channel. The only thing that will be required of the person sending it in will be the parts used to repair and shipping costs to and from. And that's pretty much it. So basically, I'll fix it for nothing. I apologize for not having the content on the channel that you guys are used to seeing once a week, complete rebuilds and stuff. But the market has really changed around me, and like I said, I just don't have the capacity to store these things if they don't sell. And I'm not about losing money to put content on the channel, because the channel's not big enough to cover the expenses of a complete rebuild on one of these at this point. So again, hit me up if you guys have anything you want fixed. If you're local to me and you want to drop a machine off, we can also work on that as well. I will not pick up something, repair it, and then deliver it. That's not something I'm going to offer, but you're more than welcome to bring it to me. I'll fix it for free, and you can come back and pick it up if you're local in the Massachusetts area. Yeah, so again, let me know if you guys have anything you want fixed for free, and I'm willing to do it. But again, I apologize, but I am going to have content on the channel. It'll be probably less ATV content and maybe more car stuff. I do have some car repairs that I need to get to. Somebody did request some more Dodge Dock content. I do have some more repairs that I have to do to the Dodge Dock, so I will be posting those on the channel as well. But again, guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for commenting, all that kind of stuff. Again, I appreciate everybody watching. I'm going to try to continue to get out good content for you guys in the future. Just bear with me. The economy is getting bad, and I don't see it getting any better anytime soon. Again, let me know what you guys got out there, if you got anything at all. And thanks for watching.